Hello everybody, welcome to my channel algonexus. So today I am going to solve this GFG question with two approaches. First of all, the brute force approach and second is optimization approach. Okay, so let's start. Our question is our question is sum of all divisor from 1 to n. Sum of all divisor from 1 to n. Let's read this question. Given a positive integer n, the task is to find the value of summation from 1 to n where f of 1 where function f of 1 for the number I is defined as the sum of all divisor of I. Let's take an example. See example. N is given 4 and output is 15. Explanation is given. See how. If first of all, what is the question? Sum of all divisor from 1 to n. The n is 4. We have to go from 1 to 4. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. See 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the divisor of 1? 1. What is the divisor of 2? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, what is the divisor of 3? 1, 3. What is the divisor of 4? 1, 2, 4. And after that, we have to summation of this f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4. Okay, let's me write in the whiteboard. Okay, let's start. Let's me write the explanation. Here I am going to teach explanation. Explanation of explanation of sum of all divisor from 1 to n. Okay, from 1 to n number. Okay, this is our problem statement. This is our problem statement. Okay, sum of all divisor from 1 to n. See, let's take an example. We have the n given is 4. So what is our question? Sum of all divisor from 1 to n. So we are given 1. So we have to all the divisor of from 1 to n means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's take here divisor of 1 means f of 1. Divisor of 1 is 1. Okay. Now let's take divisor of 2. Divisor of 2 is 1, 2 over. Let's take an example, not example, f of 3. Here divisor of 3 is 1, 3 over. Let's now divisor of 4, 1, 2, 4 over. Okay. So this is a divisor of 1 to n number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have to do? Sum of all divisor from 1 to n. Sum of all divisor from 1 to n. So we have to do summation of 1, then 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 4. See, here we have to do summation. Here summation will be 1. Here summation will be, let's take another color of pen. Okay, see, here summation will be 1. Here summation will be 3. Okay, here summation will be 4. Here summation will be 4, 5, 6, 7. At the end means, okay, I will write here only. At the end, what we have to do? We have to do summation of f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4. So what we will get? What is a f of 1 is? F of 1 is 1, then f of 2 is 3, f of 3 is 4, f of 7 is, sorry, f of 4 is 7. So what will be the summation? So here summation will be 15. Here summation will be 15. Okay. So this is our answer of this question. Okay, so this is our answer. This is our final answer. Okay, let's see. N is given, 15 should be answer. Output is 15. And what is our answer? The answer is 15. Okay, let's take the another example. Okay, here another example is 5. Let's take the 5. Here am I right? Example 1. Okay, now let's take the another example. Another example. Sorry. Example 2. So example 2 will be n is equal to 5. Okay, now let's do, first of all, f of 1. What is the divisor of 1? 1. Then f of 2. What is the divisor of 2? 1, 2. F of 3. What is divisor of 3? 1, 3. F of 4. What is divisor of 4? 1, 2, 4. Okay. Then f of 5. What is divisor of 5? 1 and 5. Okay. So this is, and we have taken this from 1 to 5 because we have given n is equal to 5. Okay. Because of n is equal to 5, we have we have to do summation from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means total 1 to 5. Okay. We have to do summation of this. Okay. So after that all the divisor we have written. After that we have to do summation. So here 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. And at the end, what we have to do? We have to summation of this f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4 plus f of 5 equal to, what will be the summation here? 1, 3, 4, 7 and 6. The summation will be 21. Okay, the summation will be here. So summation will be 21. Okay, so this is our answer. This is our answer. Okay, so let's check the answer is 21 or not. Here, see, 21 is our answer. Okay, but here condition is given that given a positive integer, what does it mean? If the number given negative, so what will happen? We have to consider as 0. Okay, so see, in this example there is given a integer. Okay, given a positive integer. See, okay, we will not write the condition for negative because here is question, in it question there is written that given a positive integer. Okay, the example, the number of example will be on the positive. But what if what it will, if the, if we have to check the condition for negative, if we want only the positive number. Okay, then at the beginning of the code we have to check the number, it is positive or not. If it is positive, then only it allowed to go further execution, otherwise return 0. 0 means false. Okay, so how we will implement this? So this is a explanation. Okay, this is a explanation, summation of divisor from 1 to n. So now brute force solution, what will be the logic? Okay. Logic for brute force approach. Okay, logic for brute force approach. So how we will going to implement this? Okay, so we have given, see, we have given that n is equal to 4, means we have 4 number here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from looking at this, we understand that we have need one loop to iterate from 1 to 4. Okay. And here what happened? See, for 1, answer will be 1 only. Okay. Answer will be 1 only. But for 2, we have to divide, means we have to check the divisor from 0 to 2, means 1 to 2. So again, we have to take another loop for this 2. Okay. We have to take another loop for this 2. If 1 is divisor, 2 is divisor. Okay. And after that, here is 3. After 3, here is 3. So let's take a 3. And to 3, we have to take another loop to check 1, 2, 3. It is divisible by 3 or not. 1 is divisible by 3. Okay. Here, 1 is divisible by 3. Yes. Then this is a divisor of 3. This is a divisor of 3. Okay. 2 is divisor. No, 2 is not divisor. Then 3 is divisor. Okay. This is a second loop. The first loop for iterating 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. But to find the each number divisor, we have to write the another loop, means we have to write another loop inside the loop for finding the each numbers divisor. Okay. If the number is given here, see, 6. Okay. The number is given, let me rough, 6. Number is given 6. Okay. And what will happen here now? The number will be the number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we want to find the first divisor. So we have to create another loop for the each number. So one number. So this, it will give 1. And for the 2, okay, for the 2, we have to create another loop, means another loop to check the divisor of 2. It will iterate again from 1 to 2. Okay. Then logic, then we have another logic for this. If we have to iterate another, means another loop to check the divisor of 2. Okay. While checking, these both number are also divisor of 2. In 3, what happened? We have to iterate another loop for 3 from 1, 2, 3, and from this number, 1 is divisor, 3 is divisor, but 2 is not divisor. Okay. But 2 is not divisor here. Got it? Oof. Okay. Then after iterating here, 4 come. Another for 4, we have to take another loop from 1 to 4, 3, 4. From here, 1 is divisor, 2 is divisor, 3 is not divisor, 4 is divisor. Then after that, 5 come. Okay. After that, what happened? 5 came here. 5 will iterate from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Again, 1 is divisor, 2 is not, 3 also not, 4 is not, 5 is divisor. After that, what happened? 6 came. For 6, again we have to iterate the number from 1 to 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, 1 is divisor, 2 is divisor, 3 is divisor, 4 is not divisor, 5 is not divisor, 6 is divisor. Okay. So they are the divisor of each numbers. So this is first for loop. This is first for loop. Let's take I, and this is second for loop to check each digit divisible by there from 1 to n. Okay. Understood? So to check the divisible or not, so we have to logic, means we have to write in one logic behind this. The logic will be in if condition. What we have to write in logic? If I, okay, this I is divisible by j. Okay. if divisible by j or not. So this is a logic. Let me write properly. Okay, let me write properly. See, in under the j for loop, we will like write one if condition. In if condition, we will write I mod j equal to 0. If it is 0, then we will do, sorry, then we will do here summation. Summation is equal to summation plus j. Okay, this is a logic. This is first loop. Okay, under the first loop, we have to write another for loop. So let's consider this is a I loop, iteration I, and this is j loop, iteration j. Okay, then let's see in first loop, number first will come here. I will write properly. Okay. Oh, what happened? Oh, I rub it all. Shit. Let me write again. Here, if condition will be there. From if condition, I mod j equal to 0. Then we will go here. Sum is equal to sum plus j. Okay. So I am going to write here. Let's I at beginning 1, j at beginning 1, sum at beginning 0. We have to initialize and declare the sum as 0 at the beginning. Okay, now let's start. Here, now 1, I for loop become 1. After 1, it will go inside the j and j for loop become 1. Okay, now I is 1, j is 1. After that, it will check I. What is I here? I is 1 divisible by j. J is 1. 1 divisible by 1. 1 divided by 1, what will you get? 0. So it is divisor. So it will here come here and sum will become, here sum is 0 and here plus j. What is j? I. Okay. What is j? J is 1. See, this j 1 come here. What will be summation? Here 1 will come. Okay. Okay. Now after that what happened? Compile will jump to the again here for loop, again for loop, because see what happened here. In j loop we have to write here for loop for j. Okay. In for loop of j, we are initializing j is equal to 1, but the condition will be j smaller than equal to I, then j plus plus. Okay, this is a j loop. So for loop, the condition will be I smaller than equal to n, the condition for a I loop. Okay, for I loop. For j loop, the condition will be j, here condition I will write j smaller than equal to I. Okay, because in j for loop we have to find the number of 1 to n, means 1 to I will be 1. Here 2 is there. In j for loop it will become 2. We have to find 1 to 2. Here 4 will come. In I loop, in j for loop we have to find the divisor from 1 to 4. So that's why we have given here condition from j less than equal to I. Okay, let me rub this here because we have to do a lot of rough work. Okay, then what's happened? Oh, what the hell? Okay, after that, what will happen here? What will happen here? Now, here, the condition will be fall because now 1, 1 after increment. Okay, condition will fall. Then now what will happen? The increment in 2. Now I will become 2. Now it will become 2. Now, again, J for loop will beginning from 1 to 2, 1 to 2, because we have to find the end divisor of from 1 to 2 now. Now let's check I is 2 condition and j is 1. What will be the answer? 2 is divisible? Yes, condition is 2. Now what will happen here? Sum already we have the current sum is 1 here. 1 plus j. What is current j? Now 1. So it will become 2. So I write here 2. Okay. I will write here 2. And after this, what will happen? Again, j. Again, compiler will jump again to the j loop. Okay. Increment will be there. So what will happen? J plus plus, j will become 2. Here will 2. Now let's condition will be checked. Yeah, the condition is true. Again, it will jump to here. If I divide by j equal to 0, yes, condition is true. Now what will happen? What is the current sum? Sum is 2 plus what is j? Now 2. Okay, it become now 4. It become now 4. Okay, what's happened? The summation of this number and summation of this number are completed. Okay, after that, what happens here? Again, the condition will be fall after j plus plus, because here now condition will be fall here. Again, compiler will go to the I loop. Now what will happen? It will jump to the third iteration. In third iteration, now third iteration we have to execute for loop from 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3. So here condition now will be j is equal to 1 and I will be 3. So here what will happen now? Now 1 is I is become 3 here. Okay, I is become 3 and j is become 1. Let's execute. If 3 divisible by 1, yes, condition is true. Now it will go here. What is current value of sum? 4 plus 1. What will become? It will become 5. It will become 5. Okay, after become it 5, then what will happen? J plus plus, the condition will be true. Okay, now condition will be true here. So what will happen here? I divide by 3 divided by 2. No, it is condition will fall. It will not go inside this. Okay, what will happen here? J plus plus, the now j will become 3. Okay, j will become 3. So here 3 divided by 3. Yes. So now what will happen? What is current value of sum? 5 plus 3. It will become now 7. It will become now 7. Okay, now plus plus 4, the condition will fall. So this 1 and 3 get submission in here. Okay, so now what will happen? Now compiler will when go to the I for loop. Okay, and after that I will become 4. It will going to loop for fourth iteration here, fourth iteration. So now we have, for the fourth iteration we have to, the means the j loop should compile, means for loop we iterate for 1 to 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now here what happened? I is 4 and j is 0. Sorry, j should be 1. Here what will be the answer? It will become divisible by 0, means what is j here? Here current value of sum is 7, and what is current value of j? 1. Okay, let me update this. Okay, the current value become 1. Okay, yeah, 1. What will be the summation? Summation will be 8 here. Okay, now what will happen? J plus plus, here will be j plus plus, 2 will be there, j. Now let's check it. 4 divided by 2, condition is true. It will give the 0 answer. Okay, now here what is the current value of j? Here current value of j is 2. What is the current value of sum? 8. 8 plus 2, it will become 10. It will become 10. Okay, now what will happen? The j plus plus. Okay, now j plus plus here. Okay, here will be j. Condition is true. Again, what will the value of j here? 3. 4 divided by 3. No, condition will fall. It will not go inside this loop. Okay, what will happen now? Then j plus plus 4. Now j will become 4 here. 4 here also 4. Condition is true. Here let's check 4 divided by 4. Yes, condition is true. Now what will happen here? What is current j? Now current j is 4. And what is current sum? 10. The answer, now the sum will be 14. Okay, now what will happen? J plus plus become 5. the condition will be false because phi here, here, phi is small, not smaller than equal to I. So condition will be false. Now what will happen here? From I loop, increment will be there and iteration of phi will become now. Okay. Now in iteration phi, the J loop should have to iterate from 1 to phi. Okay. In iteration phi. Got it? The J loop have to iterate from 1 to 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have to iterate from 1 to 5. So I will be 5, J will be 1, and the current summation was, what was the summation? Oh shit, what was our summation? See, wait a minute. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 15 was our summation. Okay, 15 was our summation. Now the current value of J will be 1. Okay, from because we have to iterate from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's see here phi and J is 1. Now phi divided by 1, yes, condition is true. Now here will be 15 plus current value of J is 1. The summation will be 16, 1, 6. Okay. Now what will happen? What will happen? Now J will increment here. J will increment by 2. Okay. J will increment by 2. Here 2 will come. Thus condition is true. Again it will jump here. J will be 2 here. Now it is divisible. It's give the remainder 0. No, it will not give the remainder 0. It's not divisible by 2. So what will happen? It will remain as it is. It will not go inside this loop. Again, J will will get increment. J will become now 3. Okay, J will become now 3. Here J will become now 3. The condition is true. Again, let's check. But 5 divides 2, it is divisible. No, it is not divisible. So it will not go under this condition. Again J plus plus. Now what will happen? J will become now 4. Okay. Now J will become 4. Condition is true. Now it will check here. J divides 4. No, it is not possible. Again, it will not go inside this loop. Okay. Then what will happen? J plus plus. J will become now 5. Here 5. 5 divided by 5. Yes, it is divisible. So what will happen? The current J value is 5 plus what is current value of sum is 16. So it will give 21. It will give 21. Okay. Now J plus plus, J will become 6. Here 6 will be there. 6 smaller than equal to 1. No, the condition will be false. Okay. So it will now go inside this if condition. Okay. So what will happen? Compiler will jump to the for loop, means I iteration for loop. Here I will increment go to 6. Okay. Now for loop, in I for loop, the I becomes 6. So what will be the J for loop? How many time it will iterate? It will iterate from 1 to 6. 1 to I. Okay. What is I? 6. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's consider I become 6, J become 1. 6 here, 1 here. Let's check. 6 is 1 is smaller than 6. Condition is true. Here will be 6 and 1. It will divide by 0. Sum will be 21 plus 6 will what is current J? 1. It will become now 22. Then J plus plus, what will happen? J will become 2. The condition again is true. It will go there. 6 divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. So what will happen here? The current J is 2 and sum is 22. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 24. Answer will be 24. So what will happen here? Now it will become J plus plus. Now it will become 3 here. Here also 3. Condition is true. Let's, it will go inside again. It will check again in the if condition. 6 divisible by 3. Yes, condition is true. Now what is J? Current J is 3 and what is sum? Current sum is 24. Now what will be the current answer? Means what will be the sum now? 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. Now it's become 27. Again what happened? J plus plus. Now J will become 4. 4 here. Okay. Here also 4. Here also 4, but 6 divides 4. No, it will not go inside this loop. It will not go inside this statement. Again, j plus plus, j will become now 5, here 5, here 5, 6 divided 5, no. It will not divisible, it will not go again inside this if statement. Okay, now what will happen? J becomes 6, here also j becomes 6, 6 equal to 6, condition is true. Now 6 divided by 6, yes, it will. Now what will happen here? The what will be the current j here? Here current j is 6 and sum will be 27. Okay, then what will be the answer here? The answer will be 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, now what happened? Again j will increment 7, 7 condition will fall. Now compile will jump to the again I for loop, I for loop. Now while increment there is no number not greater means 6 means I 6, here 6, and now condition will be fall after increment, so it will go back. And what will be the our answer? 33. Okay, let's check, let's check the answer. Let's check the answer. Okay, what we have taken, we was taken our n is 6. Okay, for f of 1 it will become 1, for f of 2 it will become 1 2, for f of 3 it will become 1 3, for f of 4 it will become 1 2 4. Okay, for f of 5 it will become 1 and 5, for f of 6. Okay, okay, sorry, let me write proper here. Okay, for what happened for f of 6 it will become 1 1 2 3 6. Then after that what we do, we have to do a summation of this all. Okay, what it will give 1, it will give 3, it will give 4, it will give 6. Okay, it will give 6 also here, it will give here 12. Okay, now it will give 12, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to do summation of this all f of 1, f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4 plus f of 5 plus f of 6. Okay, now what will be the here? 1 3 4 6 6 12. Okay, what will be the summation here? 6 6 12 24, here 24 will be there, and here 4 5 6 7 8 8, here plus 8 8 9 10 12 32. See, oh, there is a calculation mistake. The answer should be here 36. Okay, uh okay, let me check first. I have done any kind of calculation mistake. 32, and here is coming 33. I have done any calculation mistake here. Let's check it properly. See here 1, here 3, here also 4, here 4 5 6 7 7 5 6 4 5 6 7. Yeah, no. Yeah, here. See here what's happened. The answer should be here. Answer should be a 7. 4 5 6 7. I have wrote here, I was written here 6, so definitely the answer will be 33. Yeah, the correct one, this is correct one. See, the answer is 33. Means this logic we have created while in the for loop, so this is a correct answer, the logic for brute force approach. Okay, let's implement this in the code. Okay, let's write it here. First of all, we have to initialize and declare sum is equal to 0, because we need this variable to store the summation. First of all, we have to, then after that we need to create for loop from I is equal to 1 to I smaller than equal to n, because this for loop we have to loops, means we have to iterate until the n. Okay, now I plus plus. After that what will happen here? Oh, sorry. After that, what will happen? We have to create another loop. Loop int j equal to 1. Equal to 1. Okay, equal to 1. And that j should be iterate until the I. Okay, that j we have to, this j should iterate until the I. Then j plus plus. After that, we have to do if condition. If I mod j give equal to 0, means this is divisible. This is divisible. Okay. Now let's sum equal to sum plus j. Okay. Now here we have to return 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 j. Okay. Let's check it. What will be the answer? Let's check it. Let's check. Oh, what is return? Oh, sorry, not return j, return sum. Return sum. Sorry. Yeah. Let's see. See the the compilation completed for input 4 15 15. Okay. Okay. Let's take the 5. The 5, it should be 21 something. Am I right? Yeah, for 5. Let's check. Let's check here. For 5, what should be the answer? Answer should be 21. Okay. Answer for 6, answer should be 33. Okay. For 5, answer should be 21. Uh, your output. Okay. Let's check. Answer should be 21 here. Yes, 21. See. And for 6, answer should be 33. For 6, answer should be 33. So let's see. Yeah, answer should be 33. Yeah, we calculate this here. Answer. See, here answer is 33. Okay. So this is our brute force approach of this code. This is a brute force approach, and now I will discuss the optimization approach. Okay, and after that we will discuss both the time complexity of. Okay, so let's me copy this code. So let me copy this. Okay, code for brute force approach. Okay, I am writing, copy pasting this code. What's happened? It's not working. Oh, what's happening? It's not, why it's not working? Copy, paste. Okay. Okay. So what is our question? What was our question here? Problem statement. Okay. Sum of divisor from 1 to n. Okay, let's copy and write here. Okay. So this file you will get in my description section. I will provide the link for this file. Okay, you can download and you can access from the description. Okay, let me save first. Okay, now what we will do, we will do the optimization approach. Okay, optimization approach. So logic for optimization approach. Okay. Mm, logic for optimization approach. What's okay, optimization approach here. There is a one formula in mathematics. There is a one formula in mathematics to find the sum of all divisor from 1 to n. That formula is very, very important. Just note it down properly. Okay, just note it down. See, the formula is summation of 1 to n, means I is equal to 1. Let me write properly. Okay, let me write the summation of I 1 to n is equal to I multiplication n by I. Okay, this is a formula. This is a formula to find the sum of all divisor from 1 to n. Okay. This is a formula which is very, very, very IMP, which is very, very IMP to solve this problem. And keep in this mind, because while solving this advanced layer of DSA, might be this formula may be usable. Okay. So here n is a given number. Okay. And from I should be iterate from 1 to n. Okay, 1 to n. So here we can say that I always smaller than equal to n. Okay, smaller than equal to n, and I should not I should not means not not greater than n. So this is a condition for. So let's solve using this formula. Let's take the previous example, like we have taken the previous example here. Example 1, that is n is equal to 4. Okay, we know the answer of the n is equal to 4. See what will happen here. Okay, example 4. Okay, now let's write a formula here. Summation n, where I from 1 to n. So here what is n is the, we have the n 4. We have 4. So equal to, what is I? Now I is 1 into n is 4, 4 by 1, plus I is now 2 into 4, 2 into 4 by 2. Okay, now 3 into 4 by 3. Now 4 into 4 by 4. Okay, so now what will happen? 1, answer will be here 1 into, what will be 4 divided by 1? It will become 4, plus 2, 4 divided by 2, it will become 2, plus 3 into 4 divided by 3, it will become 1. Why we are taking 1, not we are taking 1 point something? Because in Java integer contain only non-decimal number. Okay, that's why we taking only here 1. Here 4 4 into 4 into 4, it will 1. Okay, now let's do, what is 4 into 1? 4. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 1, 4. Let's do the summation. 4 4 4, it will be 12, 13, 14, 15. See, so this should be our answer. Okay, this should be answer. Let's check here only. N, we have the output for. Let's take this example, example 2. Let's take n is equal to 5. Answer should be 21. Okay, let's take now example 2, n is equal to 5. Now let's what is the formula 5, where I is equal to 1. Let's, I is 1 into 5 by 1. Okay, plus 2 into 5 by 2, plus 3 into 5 by 3, plus 4 into 5 by 4, plus 5 into 5 by 5. Okay, now let's do the calculation. 1 into, it will become 5. Okay, here 2 into, it will become 2. Okay, because it become 2 point something. Okay, so it will become 2. Now here what will become? 3 into 1. Here 4 into 1. Here 5 into 1. Let's take 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. It will become, now what will be the answer? 5 plus 5, 10. So 8, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, the answer should be 21. Okay, let's check. Let's check. See, answer should be 21 when we give the input n is equal to 5. So this is a so this is a optimization solution. So this is called a optimization solution. Okay. So how to implement? Let's write here. So we will need one for loop here. Here for loop. Let's consider for loop from I is equal to 1, I smaller than equal to n, because we have to iterate it n until 5 come, means n comes. Okay. Now I plus plus, and directly here we have to write this. We have to write this equation here. Okay, the formula. But how? So first of all, before this implementing the for loop, we will initialize sum and declare as 0. Okay, so here sum is equal to, we will get sum is equal to plus, we will take a bracket here. Here we will put I for this I. Okay, I into, again we will bracket a n divided by I. Okay, again then bracket close. So this is a formula. So this will be the formula. This will be the formula. Okay, this is the formula for brute force approach. So let's implement this. Let's go and implement this. I am removing this. Okay. Now let's write int sum is equal to 0. First of all, we have to initialize and declare the sum. After that, in for loop, we have to write int I is equal to 0, where I smaller than equal to n, then I plus plus. Okay. After that, what will happen here? After that, we have to write this formula, which is sum equal to sum plus curly bracket I into curly bracket, open curly bracket, and divide by I, close curly bracket and close curly bracket. Yeah. After that, what we have to do? Return RET return sum. So let's compile this. What will be the answer? Runtime error. What is runtime error? Main Java by 0. Oh, sorry. Here we have to take 1 here. Yeah. From 1 we have to start. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, the answer will be okay. 33. Oh, let's input. See, if we input, we are inputting 4, sorry, 6, the answer is 33. Okay. Inputting 4 here, the answer should be 15. Let's see. Yeah, answer should be 15. Inputting 5 here, the answer should be 21. Let's check. The answer should be 21. Yeah, answer should be 21. Let's submit this. Okay. Let's submit this. What will happen? Yeah, 1110. Let's check how. Yeah, all the test case is passed. Okay, all the test case is passed. Okay, so here this is brute force solution. Okay, in brute force solution, the time taken by the compiler 0.25. In brute force solution, time taken by the compiler 0.25. Okay, so let's first copy this question here. Copy this. Okay, here I will write for optimization approach. Solution will be okay. Let's see. Sorry. So for the optimization approach, the time taken by the compiler is 0.25. 0.25. So what will happen before we submitted the brute force? Okay, let's write the brute force. Yeah, this is a brute force approach. What will be the time complexity here? Let's check what will happen here. Yeah, all the test case pass, and see the time taken by the compiler is 0.9. Okay, 0.9. At the optimization approach, the time taken by the compiler is 0.25, and now it taken 0.9. Okay. Now let's discuss about the time complexity here. Okay. time complexity. Let's discuss the time complexity here. Let's discuss in a brute force solution what we have done. This is a brute force solution. We have taken the for loop from I to n. Here also, when in a j in second loop, when I become equal to n, okay, it will iterate from I to n. So what will be the time complexity here? Yeah, time complexity is big O n square. This is a time complexity for brute force approach. Okay. Then what is a time complexity for the what optimization approach? Okay. The time complexity for optimization approach. Let me write here. The time complexity for the optimal approach, here only one loop is there from I to n. I to n. So for this, time complexity for optimization approach will be big O n. Okay. This is for optimization approach. Got it? So this is a difference. So this is a difference between brute force and optimization approach. Okay, brute force and optimization approach. So that's why it is very important to build the logic building. To build the logic building. Okay. So I am currently I am taking means I am solving the basics problems. Okay, so basics problems of mathematics. So in previous video you can see my basics problems of mathematics, what is palindrome, reversing the digit and all. Okay, slowly I will take the medium level problem. So basic level problem, medium level and hard level problem of each topic. Okay, so this is basic means very basic level problem is this. Okay, so for if you want this file, code of file, I will give this file link of this file in the description. Okay, and also I am giving this link for this code, means link for this problem solving in the description. You can access from this description. And if you want this whiteboard, again I am going to put whiteboard link in the description. Okay, if you like my video, please like it and subscribe it to, because I am going to upload more problem solving question in this channel. And please share to your friends so they will also get benefit from this my channel. Okay, thank you.